bill going down or trying to go down in Canada right now. Go home and Google it. C-45, Bill C-45 in Canada. The Prime Minister is trying to take away the sovereignty of the Indigenous peoples of Canada. And it's not going to stop there, people. This is a worldwide epidemic. So check it out. Idle No More movement. IdleNoMore.com. Idle Not More. Hashtag or whatever. We're not going to be idle no more. See? Big up all Indigenous peoples worldwide. See? I want to big up right now our local Indigenous leader, Grandmother Aggie. Yes, I am. One of the last remaining members, original members of the Select Tribe.